Check 1, 2. Parookaville, 10 years. You saw every main stage of Bill's Factory to where we are right now. But you know what? Parookaville would be nothing without you guys. Thank you so much, Germany. You're in our hearts. Reaching out to the front of house. Thank you so much. Clap your hands, everybody, for everybody in Parookaville right now. Bernd, I love you. Marius, I love you. Backstage, I love you guys. But most of all, you guys are Parookaville! Sleep well. We are out. Get your tickets now for next year, because I'm going to promise you we're going to be here for many more. Thank you so much. Be safe. We love you right now. Parookaville, make some noise!